In this video, we will be showing you how to assemble the Purefun 36-inch kids trampoline with handrail. Using the snap buttons at the end of each frame piece, connect all three to create the whole frame. Make sure that all leg openings are facing the same way. Place the jump mat in the middle of the frame with the logo facing up. Insert the jump cord in one of the loopholes inside of the frame. Pull on the rope until the rope stops on the loop. Wrap the rope around the frame as shown for each loop of the jump mat. Once the tension of the jump mat starts to increase, you will need some help to tighten the rope to meet the end of the frame. Use the rope cap and create a knot to secure the rope onto the frame. To install the frame pad, locate the 6 openings at the bottom and install so the frame covers the rope from the top of the trampoline. Install 6 of the legs onto the frame and remove the leg caps from 2 of the legs as shown. Slide the handrail into one of the legs that doesn't have a cap, and repeat these steps with the other side. Now you can reattach the leg caps back into their corresponding legs. Connect both side handrails by attaching the handlebar using the snap buttons, with the pointed edge of the handlebar facing outward. Thank you for watching this how-to video. For more information and help on this product, click on the link below.